In 2025, we fully funded in less than 24 hours the HYPERBELL cable, bringing one of our most innovative products to market. In the last year, we were able to fully fulfill all our Kickstarter orders and sell thousands of additional HYPERBELL cables, receiving hundreds of 5-star reviews. But at JAYFLEX, we are always looking to improve the home gym experience, and will stop at nothing to reach perfection. After getting feedback from thousands of real customers using the HYPERBELL cable in their home gym, we knew we could make it even better. We're excited to bring the next innovation in home fitness, the HYPERBELL Cable Max. Just like the original HYPERBELL cable system, the HYPERBELL Cable Max transforms your existing dumbbells and door frame into a full cable machine, so you can maximize your home gym. The HYPERBELL Cable Max now comes with a door mount that fits most door frames, so you can securely attach your HYPERBELL Cable Max without needing any additional equipment. The HYPERBELL Cable Max also comes with a side door mount that gives you the same range of workouts as a commercial pulley machine. Most commercial-grade pulley machines cost thousands of dollars, but with the HYPERBELL Cable Max, you can now enjoy the benefits of a cable machine in the comfort of your home for a fraction of the cost. Setup is easy. Simply attach the overhead mount to the top of your door frame, then attach the cable to the mount. Connect the patented clamping system to your dumbbells. Now you have a full cable system right in your own home. The HYPERBELL Cable Max takes up minimal space, making it perfect for any home gym setup. No need to clutter your space with expensive and oversized equipment. Whether you're in a small apartment or have a dedicated workout room, the HYPERBELL Cable Max offers the same variety and intensity of exercises that you'd find in a commercial gym in a fraction of the space. The HYPERBELL Cable Max comes with multiple attachments, which unlocks dozens of exercises you'd only get with the cable machine at the gym. Do multiple variations of chest and shoulder flies, tricep pushdowns, curls, rows, and more. Get the commercial gym experience without the price tag. Elevate your home gym today.